歡迎大家嚟到小窮仔頻道。今日係2026年4月10日星期五。今日想同大家又介紹下香港特色文化。首先，我哋睇下茶餐廳文化。茶餐廳 culture 喺香港，茶餐廳係大眾嘅飯堂。途中見到一個男仔坐喺卡位，嘆住一杯香滑嘅絲襪奶茶，配埋一個夾住口牛油嘅菠蘿油。呢種中西合璧嘅飲食方式，展現咗香港人靈活變通嘅性格。In Hong Kong, cha chantangs are the community's canteens. The image shows a man sitting in a booth, enjoying a cup of smooth silk stocking milk tea paired with a pineapple bun with a thick slab of butter. This fusion of Chinese and Western flavors reflects the flexible and adaptive spirit of Hong Kong people. 跟着，我哋睇下飲茶文化。Dim sum and 飲茶。飲茶唔單止係食嘢，更加係一種重要嘅社交活動。畫面入面一家大細圍住張圓台，叫咗蝦餃、燒賣等點心，仲有酒樓必備嘅點心推車。呢份熱鬧體現咗傳統嘅家庭凝聚力。飲茶 is more than just eating, it's a vital social ritual. The scene depicts a family gathered around a round table, sharing classic dim sum like蝦餃and燒賣, with a traditional dim sum trolley nearby. This lively atmosphere embodies the strength of traditional family bonds. 我哋再睇下電車與街景 Tram and Street Scenery。港島區最標誌性嘅就係俗稱叮叮嘅雙層電車，佢哋緩緩穿梭喺掛滿霓虹燈招牌嘅繁華街道。雖然城市發展得好快，但呢部過100年歷史嘅電車依然係香港人嘅集體回憶。The most iconic sight on Hong Kong Island is the double-decker tram, affectionately called the Ding Ding. It slowly glides through bustling streets filled with vibrant neon signs. Despite the city's rapid pace, the century-old tram remains a core part of Hong Kong's collective memory. 最後我哋睇下維港夜景 Victoria Harbour Night Scenery。第4幅圖係聞名世界嘅維多利亞港夜景。傳統嘅中式帆船喺海面上漂流，背景係中環閃爍嘅摩天大樓。呢種古今對比，正正係東方之珠最迷人嘅地方。The final panel showcases the world-famous Victoria Harbour night view. A traditional junk boat sails across the water, set against the backdrop of Central's shimmering skyscrapers. This contrast between old and new is exactly what makes the Pearl of the Orient so enchanting. 大家對於以上介紹有咩看法？歡迎留言俾我，記得訂閱小窮仔頻道，再見。